everyone, Nancy Allen here from YourEnergyRx.com with your quantum healing code for May 2020. Well, most of us have been on COVID-19 lockdown in our homes for well over a month now, and I'd venture to say that many of us have noticed a shift in our relationship space. Some for the better, some maybe not so much. Case in point, my sister-in-law's job typically has her traveling 3 to 4 days a week, meaning she's away from home 3 to 4 days a week. And just like the rest of us, now she's stuck working from home with my well-meaning brother, the house husband, all up in her space. And I love him to death, but yeah, he's all up in her space. Now, we are a species that thrives on relationships. We use relationships to gauge how we're doing as we move through life. Most of us have been programmed from childhood to be nice. And most times this means allowing other people's energy to enter our space. Now, this only becomes a problem when we forget to release that energy from our space, because only your energy works in your space. So how can you tell if you have foreign, someone else's energy in your space? If you find yourself becoming pissy, short-tempered, aggravated, or angry at someone, it's your body's way of alerting you that someone else's energy is in your space. Ideally, the pissiness would be a trigger to tell us to release that person's energy before engaging with them any further. But most of us have not been taught to do that, or that is even a thing. And that brings me to this month's code. Here's the request. Is there an assisting frequency for highest good that will help us notice foreign energy entering our space and assist us in releasing it? And the code that came up is from the Energy Balancing by Numbers series. And it is, relax. How amazing is this code? By relaxing, we remove the stress that keeps us from recognizing when our energy is not our own, at which point we can do something about it. So let's install this code and align with releasing other people's energy from our space so we can have more of us in it. So first we're going to go ahead and ground. And you can use this tool all the time. Come back into your space. Your space is that electromagnetic field that surrounds you. And breathe. And now we're going to go ahead and ground. If you can ground, go ahead and ground your way. For those of you that don't know how to ground, put your attention on the base of your spine, down by your tailbone. There's a little energy center down there called the first chakra or the root chakra. And it's going to be our connection today to the center of the planet. And the reason we do this is because the earth knows very, very well what to do with all the energy that we send down there to it. So imagine from the base of your spine a rope, cable, wire, waterfall connected to the base of your spine, and the other end going all the way down, 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 down to the center of the earth, and plugging in. And then come back up to the base of your spine and create a switch at the base of your spine. and make that switch say release, and flip that switch to the on position. So now you're at the base of your spine. You've got a switch called release. You've got a cable or a wire, some kind of cord connecting you to the center of the earth. And now put the consideration into that switch and that grounding cord that it's going to release from your space any energy that you are done with, that is not yours, or that no longer serves you. Any energy that's not yours or no longer serves you is going to go down the grounding cord and be given to the center of the earth. And just notice what it feels like. And come up to the center of your head. This is the place where we work from. It keeps us in neutrality, keeps us from getting emotionally attached to energy that's coming up and getting released. Because if we get emotionally attached to the things that are popping up, we tend to hang on to them. So if it's time to release, we need to be unattached from those things. So center of head, it's behind your eyes, between your ears. And breathe. And just notice what it feels like in the center of your head. And now we're going to go ahead and assume the installation position for coding. We do this to get our body involved and to make it more real to us. So right-handers, left-handers, we're going to be switched. Right-handers, right hand on your heart chakra. Left hand becomes an antenna, hold it in the air or up like it's grabbing a code out of the ethers, out of source, out of the void, out of the quantum unknown. And then when that code comes into your receiving hand, it's going to come down your arm, across your shoulders, and go into your heart chakra through your delivery hand. So for right-handers, that is your right hand. Left-handers, switch it up. Your left hand goes on the heart chakra. Your right hand becomes your antenna, becomes the hand that receives the code, grabs the code from the ethers. So I'm right-handed. I'm going to go right hand on heart chakra. And here we go. We ask for, accept, and align with this EBN code. It's with gratitude. We accept the assisting frequency for relax. 3746583686. 3746583686. 3746583686. 3746583686. 3746583686. 3746583686. One more. 3746583686. And close up the installation by putting both hands on the heart chakra. And be grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And it is so. Whoa. I am totally relaxed. Whew. Okay. Well, to better understand how the codes work, I encourage you to watch my February of last year, February 2019 monthly presentation, How the Codes Work, right here on YouTube. And please subscribe to this channel. It really helps. Also, check out my YourEnergyRx.com Code Carriers Facebook group for even more codes. So that's it for now. I'm Nancy. Enjoy this month's relaxing code. And remember, there's a code for that. See ya. Bye.